Get ready to bring the taste of America straight to your kitchen. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making a classic American pepperoni pizza: crispy crust, rich sauce, and perfectly melted cheese. Let's get started. Let's start with the essentials. Fresh, simple ingredients are the secret behind the classic American pizza everyone loves. Now we prepare the dough. Soft, smooth, and perfectly mixed. This is the foundation of a great pizza. Next, we roll the dough into a perfect circle, creating that signature American-style crust. Time for the sauce. Spread the rich tomato base evenly to give every bite bold flavor. Now comes the good part, a generous layer of mozzarella and classic pepperoni on top. Into the oven it goes. Watch the cheese melt and the crust turn beautifully golden. And here it is, hot, cheesy, and perfectly baked American pepperoni pizza, ready to enjoy.